January 26th card opening. Got our cards up here. Get them a little more centered. And let's start our opening. We'll continue with Update Chrome, which has been a update disappointment. Let's see if there's any interest in changing that. Mackenzie Gore, Lucius Fox. And serving. So, not really. It's Japan. Thomas, Jose Altuve, Austin Riley, Charlie Marte, Clayton Kershaw, Yu Darvish, Buxton, Zach Wheeler, Nick Allen, and we have a Brandon Marsh, Cherry. Next one. Spencer Torkelson. J-Rod, back to back, I like that. Cedric Mullins, that's the first time we didn't actually get the Shohei Ohtani MVP. Pretty good. I'll be happy with that output. At the end of the box, I'll go through and see if we how close we are to a set. Chronicles. Nick Lodolo. Like that one. Big Gladstone line to Hunter Green. Nice Hunter Green patch out of 99. Got the stripe there. Jared Duran and Edward Cabrera. Duran, Shane Baz, another Mike Trout. Reed Detmer's got the blue. Jake Myers and Luke Williams season ticket. Let's see, what else can we do today? I got it. Hold on for just a second. We'll take another look at one of these. This card I think I got from this is the Wood Deion Sanders. Let's see if we can improve on that. Fletcher, Kreska, Harrison, Betts, Duval, don't know him, Millot, Swanson, Merrifield, and Vaughn. So not too much there. The parallels are the first two. So you have a Fletcher, Piedmont, and a Kreska, Russian brand. Sorry, not much from today. Anyway, that's all for today. Take care.